So what is great public speaking really about? One thing it is not about is to take a lot of information, a lot of facts, and just dump them on your audience. I'm sure you've been there. You go to a presentation and you're really eager to find out about that topic. And then all you get is a chain of facts. And you get bored very easily. I've been there, and that's not the type of presentation I want to give. We want to create value, that's our goal, so let's do it differently. In fact, the way to have people remember and understand your topic is to actually create emotions. To create emotions and then tie them to one or two or maximum three facts that you want to bring across. When you do that, when you create emotions that your audience shares with you, this is when they really understand you. So you have one goal, and that is to create emotions that your audience shares.